Director salary for 25-26. Have you checked you have the most tax efficient salary that you could, or are you just rolling forward last year's and not really thinking about it? Remember, as our circumstances change, we've got to change our director salary. I'm gonna go through some common director salaries, and maybe it might just spark a few thoughts in people's heads and get you chatting to your accountants. So first up, let's go for zero salary. Now this will be for people who maybe have employment income already. They might have already gone over £100,000 of income. This might be the best salary for them. £5,000 of director salary. So employers' national insurance contributions, zero. Wonderful. Employees' national insurance contributions, zero again. And you do not get a tick for your state pension. So here, this salary is probably only good for you if you're already collecting a state pension, or if you've got all the ticks that you need already to collect that state pension. Income tax, £5,000 might be already covered by personal allowance, otherwise we've got to look at your position as a whole. £6,500 of director salary. So what's going to happen now? Employers' national insurance contributions are £225, but director's salary is a deductible expense for corporation tax. So when we are calculating out our total taxable profits in our corporation tax return, we will have deducted the director's salary as an expense. Corporation tax is paid between 19 and 25% depending on your profit levels, so we are getting a deduction for it anyway, so that is not that bad when we look at it like that. Employees' national insurance contributions are still zero, however at this salary level we get a tick in the box for our state pension, which is fantastic. Income tax, this will be covered by the personal allowance if we haven't already utilised it elsewhere. £12,570 of director's salary. What's going to happen here? Employers' national insurance contributions, £1,135. And of course, remembering director's salary is a deductible expense when we're calculating our taxable profits in our corporation tax return. Employees' national insurance contributions are still zero. This is the maximum amount of employment income we could have whilst our employees' NICs are still zero. So of course we're getting that tick for a state pension. Great. Income tax, £12,570 is in fact our personal allowance. So as long as we haven't already utilised that, it will go straight against the personal allowance. Note here that if you are not a single director, so you have other employees within your business, you might qualify for the employment allowance. This will mean that you get up to a £10,500 deduction off your employer's national insurance contributions, which will be absolutely perfect to bring that tax bill down.